Alright guys, welcome to Top Skincare, your number one organic skincare and beauty series. It's always exciting whenever I'm coming here, to educate you on how to take care of your skin and the necessary things you need to do in order to keep your skin aglow. Yes, it is my earnest happiness to see that my clients are always glowing. Okay, and then what makes the skin pops, what makes the skin glow, first starts from the inside. Of course, whatever you take in your inside, the result is what you get on your outside. Okay, so let me be your pilot on this particular new episode. Okay, so I have something cooking for you, and trust me, you will like this one. Okay, I'm always coming up with exciting topics. I'm always more particular about what you take in your inside, because whatever you take in your inside is what plays on the outside. Okay, so health internally and a glowy skin externally. So today we are going to be talking about something very particular, something obviously maybe you've seen but you've overlooked it, and possibly you have it planted around. Okay, this particular tree, I call it the miracle tree. Okay, tell me, which plant is that plant that can sustain the internal organs and still sustain the external organs? I call it the life tree, tree of life. In fact, please permit me to call it tree of life, because I have seen the enormous benefits of this particular tree. The benefits are so enormous, the benefits are so much. Like, how did God ever plant this tree and this part of the world? Do you know that some people don't even know the benefits of these things, and they just see it and overlook it? If you have it planted at your back, or it sprouts up at your farm, or wherever you can easily access it, be very grateful, because you don't know what you have got. Okay, and then some people, they prune it, or they cut it off because probably out of ignorance they don't know the benefits of these things. So I am here to pick on that thing and then to drive you on a different direction on the benefits of this particular tree. When I was doing this research, my emphasis was on tummy blast, to be very honest. Okay, because this fruit helps, the fruit of this tree helps in tummy blast. Okay, so my emphasis was going to be on tummy blast. But while I was doing my research, I realized that there's more benefits attached to this particular tree, and for me to just narrow down to only tummy blast, then I'll be cheating you. Yes, so I decided to expand it a little bit to other benefits of this tree, and this tree is no other tree than the Moringa oleifera. Oh my God, did you hear that? So the benefit of this tree is no other than the Moringa. Okay, the Moringa oleifera is the botanical name for it. Moringa. Now I'm going to lay emphasis on the seeds. Okay, but I'm also going to talk about some other parts. Maybe in another video I'll talk about the benefits of other parts, but let me draw your attention to the Moringa tree. Okay, the Moringa tree is a great source of benefits to humankind. In fact, is a lifesaver. Okay, Moringa is a lifesaver because it treats across very many infections, very many problems, physical problems. It treats across very many problems. Okay, very many problems that has to do with internal organs and external organs. So the benefits are so enormous. The effects, it's very enormous. It's a natural plant, it's a natural tree. Okay, that is being planted in various parts of the world, though it's not in many other countries, but the few countries we have it in Asia, in India, we have it in Nigeria, and some other countries, okay, that are lucky or blessed to have these trees, okay, being planted. Due to the topographic condition of the environment, they can just sprout out and grow wherever the seed is being thrown, if the climatic condition and the topographic condition is okay. So they can just sprout up and grow. That is a Moringa tree for you. And we don't want to waste much of your time, so I'll just delve directly into the benefits of this tree. Bear it in mind that our emphasis is on the seed. Okay, for this particular video, the emphasis of Moringa seed, how you can use it to blast tummy fat, how you can use it to reduce body weight, how you can use it to blast fat is particularly. okay, and some other benefits that you can use it for. Okay, so let me just talk about give you a rundown of the moringa tree, and then we'll narrow it down to our topic of today. Okay, so I'll say moringa tree is very, very rich in vitamins and mineral. Okay, it's very rich in vitamins and mineral. It has the whole part, it's a medicinal tree. Okay, the whole part is very beneficial to mankind. Okay, so we have the flowers, we have the roots, we have the seeds, we have the pods, we have the leaves. Okay, every part of moringa tree is very, very beneficial to humankind. Every part of moringa tree is health beneficial to mankind. Every part of moringa tree is medicinal. Did you hear that? It's medicinal. So the combinations and how to take it, you are also going to hear it from me on this particular video. So sit tight, draw close, and pay rapt attention to this step-by-step approach on what to do, how to blast your tummy, how to take the moringa fruit the right way, the moringa leaves, the moringa trees, what they are used for, you know, the chemical component, the combination. In fact, a lot of things that has to do with the moringa, the benefits of the moringa oleifera, that is the botanical name, moringa oleifera, the benefits of it and how to use it for what treatment. Okay, first thing first, let us look at the rich vitamins and minerals. What are the benefits of the moringa seeds? What are the vitamins? Moringa seeds has vitamin A, which is the beta carotene, which enhances the physical appearance of the skin. You know me, my problem is skin, so I like going to that one first. Okay, so it contains vitamin A, which enhances the appearance of the skin. It heals wounds. It's very, very good in healing the wound. Okay, if you have a wound, it heals faster with the moringa. Okay, it has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. Oh my God, show me that plant that has all those vitamins and I will tell you that that is a plant of life, and that plant is no other than moringa. Okay, so now the minerals contains in moringa is, we have the calcium. Okay, the calcium in moringa is 17 times higher than that of the milk. Yes, hear that from me. Research has proven that the calcium present in moringa is 17 times higher than that of the milk, what you have in the milk. Yes, and this is gotten in the moringa leaves. Okay, so it's a very rich source of for calcium. Okay, it's a very rich source of calcium. Also, it contains 2 milligrams per 100 grams of iron. Did you hear that? Okay, so that is a moringa tree for you. It also has zinc. It contains 25.5 to 31.03 milligrams of zinc. Okay, this is well enough for your daily intake of zinc in the body. Okay, so the seeds composition: vitamin B1 has 0.05, vitamin B2 has 0.07, vitamin B3 has 0.02%, vitamin C has 120. Okay, and then it has calcium 30, it has magnesium 24, it has phosphorus 110, potassium 259. Okay, copper 0.57, so it has iron 28.02, and it has sulfur 870. Sulfur is 870 milligrams. So with all these vitamins and compositions, don't you know that moringa seeds is a super seed? Okay, it's a super tree. Moringa is a super tree. So those are the seeds composition. Okay, what you expect in the seed. Now, moringa is a rich source of antioxidants. Okay, it is a rich source of antibacterial. Okay, it is a rich source of anti-aging, anti-cancer, anti-tumor. Oh my God, it has anti-diabetic, it is analgesic, it is a blessing to mankind. So if you have moringa, please make good use of it. Okay, so let's delve into the antioxidant. It has antioxidant in order to balance the oxidation of the body. Okay, the anti-cancer and anti-tumor is where our emphasis lies on the seed. Okay, if you have someone that has fibroid, encourage the person to take more of moringa seeds. It is very beneficial. Okay, it has anti-tumor. It doesn't even allow the tumor to form, and it also treats the tumor, uproot it from the roots. Okay, now if you're using it for tummy blast or weight loss, Okay, I recommend it for my clients for tummy blast and weight loss. So if you're using it for tummy blast and weight loss, you realize that when you take it, after a while, it has a way of flushing your system. Okay, it cleanses your system, it detoxes your system. Okay, you always find yourself constantly pushing out those unnecessary stuff. And if you look into what you have pushed out, you know that it has done a lot of benefit in your internal organ. Okay, so if you have someone that has tumor and the person constantly takes moringa seed, I bet you research has proven it. I didn't say that, but sure, research has shown that moringa seed has the capacity, has the power, okay, to uproot that tumor and also to prevent tumor from occurring. So what are you waiting for? So you just delve into your moringa seeds, and I'm going to tell you the combinations and how to use it. Okay, so for anti-aging, the anti-aging property is called zeatin, okay, which is a natural occurring cytokinin which has anti-tumor activities effective against prostrate. Did you hear that? It is also very effective against prostrate and skin cancer. So if you're a type that uses moringa, you know that skin cancer is far from you, prostrate is far from you. Have someone suffering from prostrate. After this video, go and share the recipe with the person. Moringa seed is the right seed for that prostrate. Give it to the person and the person will thank you. You can use the moringa seed as an antibacterial and it heals wounds. That was why I started by saying that moringa seed has because of the presence of the vitamin A. Okay, that was why I started by saying that the presence of vitamin A has beta carotene. Okay, beta carotene that helps in healing wounds. Okay, so it also helps in treating diabetes and helps in healing wounds. Okay, so it is an analgesic in such a way that if you take it, you find out that it eases you off stress. Okay, so it helps you, it enhances your sleep, it helps you to sleep well. Okay, it eases stress, and of course anything that eases stress is an analgesic that helps calm the body, calms the nerves. Okay, so it's an antibiotics too, so you can take it as an antibiotics. Okay, so it does that work, that magic. Moringa seed is also used to treat hepatitis B. Did you hear that? Yes, science have proven that moringa fruits can be used to treat and prevent hepatitis B. And not just hepatitis B, I'm going to give you a whole lot of things that the moringa seed can be used to. Okay, it can be used to treat hyperthyroid, okay, thyroid in the body, okay, anti-herpes simplex like arthritis. Okay, so moringa seeds helps to treat arthritis, rheumatism, guts. Okay, you have to take a moringa seeds to treat that gut. Okay, that high blood pressure, it has a way of, the moringa seed lowers high blood pressure. Okay, it brings down your blood pressure to an expected equilibrium. Okay, so that is the work of the moringa seed. It brings the blood pressure to an expected equilibrium. So if you have someone that is hypertensive, I recommend that you give the person the moringa seed in order to bring down the blood pressure to its expected equilibrium. Okay, so it treats cramps, epilepsy. I could remember some time ago when my uncle took ill, and then we didn't know what happened. It started like an hypertension, and then it happened that one of the I think the cell in the body, you know, he just lost control. So he couldn't just the reflex, you know, he couldn't just use the reflex. So what we were recommended after we used the English medicine in the hospital, what we were recommended to do for him was to go get moringa. So what we do for him is we pluck the moringa and then we air it in the room. In the morning we use it to make tea for him. I bet you in less than 3-4 months my uncle was back on his feet, in combination with the other drugs according to doctor's prescription. And then we did this one. It was wonderful. It was a wonderful experience, and that is what drew my attention to, you know, trying to research on this moringa. What is this moringa? Because we used to have it in the compound, we never knew what it was meant for. Okay, so we used to have it like a leaf, okay, a tree. So we just tie our what's it called, our rope, our laundry rope, and then we use it to dry clothes, and off we go. But after that experience with my uncle in the hospital, I had to go further, you know, to do research, which I also recommend you to do research. So I think there is absolutely no kind of illness that moringa seed does, that moringa does not treat. Yes, both the leaf, the seeds, and other parts. There's absolutely no kind of sickness that or illness or problems, okay, internal problems, external problems, that moringa cannot treat, okay. And research has also shown that moringa is also used to treat HIV stage 1. Did you hear that? Okay, so you hear that from me. Moringa is also used. There's a tendency of using it to treat HIV stage 1, okay. And of course, if it can be used to treat HIV stage 1, that means if further research is being done on this moringa, we realize that in no time from now we'll not have HIV. It's used to treat syphilis. Yes, moringa is used to treat syphilis. It's used to treat other sexual transmitted diseases. So that is, it's very, very beneficial to mankind. So it used to treat wounds, the wood, the leaves, you know, the epilepsy. Use it to treat epilepsy, okay. That's what the root is used for. The roots, the seeds. Okay, so now if we look at the leaf, the leaves are generally used for the treatment of asthma, bronchitis, hyperglycemia, flu, dyslipidemia, heartburn. Moringa is wonderful. It's a very wonderful plant to have, okay. So the leaves is used to treat heartburn. It's used to treat syphilis, okay. You can hear that from me. I said it earlier. It's used to treat pneumonia, okay. Pneumonia is used to treat diarrhea, headaches, cough, skin disease, eye and ear infections. Which plant is that plant that can give you all in one? This is a lifesaver plant, my dear. This is a lifesaver plant. So scurvy and skin disease, in terms of those deficiencies in vitamins, okay. So if you're in fact, I think most parts in Asia used it. Yes, most parts, researchers that most parts in Asia used it then to treat poverty families. They use it to as a source of food, okay. And then as a result of this source of food, they were looking healthier, okay. And then it gave rise to, you know, more research. These people are living in poverty areas. How come they are looking this healthier? And then when they made research on this particular plant, they realized that there's a lot of vitamins and benefits, okay. There's lots of mineral benefits in this. You can use it as for many things, and we are going to get to that. So it's used to, it also uses to reduce blood pressure, okay. I said it earlier. It's used to reduce blood pressure, control cholesterol, and it has anti-cancer, it has antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, anti-sclerotic, hey, good. And it acts as a neuroprotectant agent, like the formation of the brain. It helps to protect the brain, okay. So this is one plant that you cannot do without, okay. So that is the leaves. And then let's look at the root. The root is used as cardiac stimulant, okay, anticellular and anti-ulcer. The root is used to treat ulcer, okay. You have ulcer patients, people that are going through suffering from ulcer. The roots is used, and then anti-inflammatory agents. So the flowers are very, very good for arthritis, okay. They use the flowers to treat arthritis and also to cure urinary tract infection, okay, problems, and common cold, okay. So the pot had a potential roles for the treatment of diarrhea, liver and spleen problems, and even joint pain. That is moringa for you. Now coming to the roots of this, to the seeds of this moringa, which is our main topic for today. The seeds of moringa does enormous things. It's very good, okay. So the seeds comes in pots. In emphasis to talk about the moringa seed today, I had to bring out this one. This is from Top Skincare, okay. This is Top Moringa seed. Can you see that? So in order to make it, here is it. Hope you can see it. So this is what the seed looks like. I got this one from Top Skincare, okay. So according to Top Skincare here, and according to research, sorry, not Top Skincare, okay. So the health benefits of this moringa seeds are enormous. We have it reduces the joint pain, induces death of cancer, like I said, okay. It kills cancer, like it kills cancer completely from the body. So one who takes this moringa seed is bound to drive cancer far off, okay. Promotes heart health, okay. It promotes heart health, like I earlier said. It has anti-cardiac, okay. So it promotes heart health, a great source of iron. Like I said, okay, the iron in it is very, very high and very essential in the right proportion for a daily intake. Iron, zinc, and magnesium. Okay, so high in fiber, is powerful an antioxidant. It lowers cholesterol, I said that earlier. It promotes healthy skin. The vitamin A, okay, has beta carotene that promotes skin health and also heals wound. Okay, it regulates blood sugar level. To regulate your blood sugar level, okay, so you need this moringa seed in order to do that. It promotes sleep. It is a good source of analgesic. Okay, it promotes sleep, to help you sleep well. Okay, it cleans it. It's an antioxidant. Okay, it's an antioxidant. It helps you clear your internal bowels. It helps you blast that fat in unwanted place. It helps you puts yourself in shape. Okay, for you to be in shape, blast the unnecessary fat and stay healthy. Okay, so you need this moringa seed. Emphasizing on it for your tummy blast, for your fat blast. Please take this moringa seed. It's very, very essential. I know that we have a lot of things out there in the internet, but if you look at their recipe combination, you realize that they have moringa, okay, in their recipe. Yes, I even sell other fat blast teas, okay, but inside that fat blast teas, I still have a combination of my moringa seeds in them, or my moringa seeds or my moringa leaf. Okay, so this moringa seed is good to blast that fat in unwanted place and stay in shape. Okay, so that is it. It also helps to detox your system. Okay, to detox, a proper detox. Okay, you take it. And then let's go to the usage. Okay, so it is recommended that you chew 4 to 6 seeds early in the morning in an empty stomach before meal. Okay, then you can drink at least 2 glasses of water to ease digestion. All right, to system and weight loss. To ease that, you eat 4 to 6 seeds. Now some people, if they eat 4 seeds, they are fine. There are some people that their system is very tough, that they need to eat up to 6. Okay, but if you eat 4 to 6, you should have that result at once. Okay, then you grind. If you cannot chew it, okay, so it has this bitter sweet taste. Okay, you see that taste that when you take a bitter leaf and then you drink water, so that's how the taste of this thing is. The taste of this moringa seed, it tastes like that bitter leaf, and then when you drink water, that is exactly the taste you're going to have when you take this moringa seed. So but there are some people that said they cannot chew it, they can't stand the taste of bitterness and all of that. So but if you can't chew it, you can now, they say, grind it here and soak 6 to 10 seeds in 75 cl of water. Okay, you can soak 6 to 10 seeds in 75 cl of water, and then you drink all of the water all at once. Okay, you can also chew or soak in drinking water 2 hours before bedtime, to enhance sleep. Yes, I did mention to you that this moringa seed is also used as a water purifier because of its antibacterial content. Okay, it's used as a water purifier. You can drop it, you can remove the seed, you drop it inside your drinking water, and it purifies your water for you completely. Okay, so now this is what is expected that you do. This is how it comes. So in order for you to have the right dosage, so you just pick up one like this. I'll show you how to use it. You pick it like this, you press it hard. It's very hard. When it's dry, you break it. Okay, so this one is out of the pot. So when you break it, you're going to have something like this. This is the seed. Okay, this is the seed, and this is the chaff. This is the bark. Okay, so you're going to have something like this. Can you see that? So this is what the seed looks like, and then you just chew it. You chew it, and then you drink water. You're going to drink complete 1 glass of water. So it's expected that for weight loss, you take 4 to 6 seeds. Okay, take it every day for 1 week, and then you can space. When you take it every day for 1 week, you can give it space, allow it to work in your internal organs and ease off, and then you give yourself 1 week gap, then you continue taking it again. So this is what a pack is like. In order for you to lose that fat in the right places and stay healthy, this is what you do. So after taking it, I take mine. I have already taken mine for today, but for the sake of this video, I didn't remember that I was going to do this video, so I would have waited till then. But for the sake of this video, I've already taken 4 works for me, so I take 4 every day. You either take it in the morning or you take it the last thing at night after a meal. And then if you have to take it the last thing after a meal, you should take it, you make sure that you eat early. At least give yourself 4 hours spacing after food before you take this moringa, okay? And then this is the measurement of your 1 full glass of water, okay? At least this cup is as easily accessible, you can get it. Can you see that? So you make sure you fill it up with water and then you drink after taking your 4. It's going to have that bitter-sweet taste, okay? To do every day for 7 days. You take a break for 7 days, you continue for another 7 days, okay, until you get the results that you want. Okay, so but if you're taking leave, okay, like I said, now if you're taking, it's not just for tummy blast, it's going to treat a lot of other things, okay? It treats urinary tract infection, it treats sexually transmitted diseases, it treats arthritis, you know, it treats a lot of things. So if you're taking it, yes, you could be taking it for the benefit of losing. Of course, you're going to be, you know, sending all those unwanted products out of your body. So while in the process of taking it, it's going to treat many other things. So I recommend to you that you have a handful, grab a handful of this moringa seeds and start taking it for your healthy benefit. For the benefit of the people that haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel, Top Skincare, okay, so that when we drop content, you would always be there, you would always be accessible, okay? At least you will have a first-hand information and know when it has dropped, when to pick it up. We always have a lot of interesting, you know, trainings. We have interesting trainings. We have interesting health tips, healthcare trainings and other things, okay? Good recommendations for you in order for your daily life to enhance your skin appearance and to boost your healthy living. So please, there's every need for you to subscribe to this channel, Top Skincare. It's the name. Subscribe, and then also remember to turn on your notification button so that when we drop this content, first-hand information is the key, okay? Also look out for our trainings. We also train people on how to make different skincare products, okay? So look out for other videos. There are other videos. And then before I forget, there's a video I'm going to drop shortly, okay? And this video is going to be about enhancing your sexual libido for both men and for both women. So look out for that video. Make sure you don't miss that video. It's going to be very, very educating. It's going to be very, very insightful, okay? I'm going to expose you to common natural products that you can also use to enhance, you know, your sexual libido without having a negative effect, okay? So look out for that video in no time from now. Subscribe to this channel so that you would always have the right content. Thank you for watching this far. Thank you. We love you and we appreciate you.